Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Park 10 to 15 feet from a flat wall on level ground and make sure the car has normal fuel and load. Turn the steering straight and switch to low beam. Tape a vertical centerline on the wall aligned with the car's center. Next, mark each headlight's current cutoff center with a horizontal tape line. This gives a baseline. While you work, keep the engine off for initial checks and grab a 10 mm socket, Torx bits, Phillips, tape, and measuring tape. Open the hood and find the headlight housing adjustment screws. VW Passat typically uses a vertical and a horizontal screw, often Torx or 10 mm. Once you can clearly see them, remove any small trim or access cover so your tool has room. A pocket mirror helps visualize what's moving. Now adjust gradually. Turn the vertical screw clockwise to lower the beam and counterclockwise to raise it. The horizontal screw moves the pattern left or right. Make tiny 1/8 turn changes. Then step back to observe the shift on the once done, fine-tune until the cutoff line sits about 3 inches lower and slightly right of the vehicle center at 25 feet or follow your local spec. Make sure to tighten adjustment screws and reinstall any covers. Test at night on an actual road. Confirm no glare for oncoming drivers and even illumination of lane markings. If the beam jumps or won't hold, inspect for broken headlamp mounts, sagging suspension, or a faulty level sensor. Addressing those
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.